Meaning of haemophiliac.
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 Haemophiliac. The term haemophiliac refers to a person who has a genetic condition that impairs their blood's ability to clot properly. This condition is called hemophilia. Hemophilia is caused by a deficiency in clotting factors, which are proteins that help the blood clot and stop bleeding. Individuals with hemophilia are prone to excessive bleeding, which can be dangerous or life-threatening if not treated promptly. Symptoms of hemophilia include prolonged bleeding, frequent nosebleeds, easy bruising, and joint pain or swelling. Treatment involves regular infusions of clotting factors, along with medication and lifestyle modifications to reduce the risk of bleeding.